Wait, stop scrolling. There is another AI app that you can use to create a realistic picture of yourself. You can also use it to create videos. But in this teaching, I'm going to show you how to use it to create a realistic picture of yourself for free. Let's go to Chrome. When you go to Chrome, type Nano Banana AI. When you type it, you wait for some minutes or some seconds. It will appear like this. Then you click on the first option there. When you click on the first option there, it will direct you to what? To Nano Banana picture editing. Yeah, you can also use text to image or image to image. Then when you click on what? Create. When you click on create, you choose the picture. Remember I told you to be using what? A picture that show your real face without makeup, so that AI can able to master your face. So when you click on it, add your prompt. So you can see that I'm writing my own prompt. You will see it is very fantastic and nice. You need no more words studio. No more what? Physical studio for this. Just what you have is what? Your phone and your what? Prompt. You are good to go. And your face. You are good to go. When you after typing your prompt, click what? Generate. When you click generate, you wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. And it will automatically what? Generate the picture. The picture, you will like it when you see it, and you can easily download it to your what? Gallery without what? Wasting of time. You are going to see it is very nice. What you only need is what? Your face, your real face without makeup, your prompt. That's all. Do you see the picture? And how you can download this tool? Just click on the download image and it will automatically download to your what? Gallery. There is no lie here. I'll show you the evidence of mine in my gallery. You will see it here. So remember to do what? Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. So this is the evidence. When you go to your phone gallery, you click on image. When you click on image download, you see this. This is the picture. It's very beautiful, guys. Oh yeah, now drop my thank you in the comment section.